Good morning, friends. Let we continue the online classes session. In last session, we have discussed about the Udawat disease. Now we discussed on management of Udawat. For the management of Udawat, detailed knowledge of the disease, various conditions related to Udawat, and differential diagnosis are most important. In all form of Udawat, the preliminary treatment is generally consist in restoring the deranged and increased bodily value to its normal course and direction. Chikitsa Sutra of Udavata, given by Acharya in our classical text, is Tam Tailasit Jorenasanak Svedanaryathoktei Praviliniendosam Upachared Varti Niruh Bastis Sne Virek Anulomana. Now, hereafter, the line of Udava treatment is discussed with primarily Nidan Parivarchan. It is fact, Mithyahar and Vihar are the main cause of Udavat. So, the first step to treat the ailment is to avoid the Nidan, Vegavrod, Katu, Tikt, Kasai rush of diet. So, we must instruct the patient about diet regime that Ashtvid Aharaitan and Dwadas Asan Pravichara, which mentioned in our classical texts. First of Snehana. Udavad is produced due to aggravation of the Vayu, and Sneh is the best treatment for Vatsavan. Therefore, Snehan is indicated in Udavad is applied by three ways: Bahya Snehan, Paniya Snehan, or Anuvasan Snehan. Bahya Snehan, external olation, means massage with oil described for the treatment of Sitajvar, अग्रवादी तेल. जो स्विट्जर में अग्रवादी तेल मेंशन किया है उससे मसाज करना, वो बाह्य स्नेहन उदावत डिसीज में है. पानीय स्नेह. Udawat and Vatic disorders curable by purgation therapy. Castor oil is an excellent remedy in the internal purgation therapy. It should be administered along with milk, meat soup, juice, or decoction of trifla, vegetable soup, cow's urine, etc. Because of its elevation nature, purgative effect, and addition of other appropriate drugs, it cures disease like Udavat. Depending upon the strength of patient, the condition of cost, and nature of the disease, castor oil should be administered in the dose of 5 pal. If the patient is mrudu kosti, then castor oil should be given along with the food. Next treatment, Swedan. After massage with oil, fomentation therapy should be administered for the detachment of adhered dosa in tissue cells. Varti, suppository. A suppository having the thickness of thumb should be prepared with drugs like Priyangu, Sovarchika, Hing, etc. by adding jaggery. Then this suppository should be inserted into the oleated anus of the penis for anus of the patient for the downward movement of vayu and cure the retention of stool, flatus and urine. एग्जाम्पल ये वर्ती है किन किन चीज़ों से बनी हुई होनी चाहिए. तो श्यामादि, पिपलियादि, कृमिनादि एक्सेट्रा जो गण मेंशन किए गए हैं उन द्रव्यों से ये बनी होनी चाहिए. प्रथमन, insufflation. A tube should be inserted into the oleated anus, and through this, the powder of the recipes mentioned by Acharya should be used for Prathaman. This insufflation causes downward movement of or voiding of the obstructed stool, flatus, or urine. Next, Niru type of medicated enema. If the above mentioned suppositories and insufflation therapy means Pradhaman fail to produce the desired result, then the patient should be given oleation and formation therapy followed by administration of Niru type of medicated enema. For the preparation of this medicated enema, drug having emetic and purgative effect, cow's urine, oil, alkalis, and drugs having sour taste, which elevated vayu and which are very sharp, tikshna in the action, should be used. नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ मेडिकेटेड एनेमा कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे. सॉर एंड सलाइन ड्रग्स अलोंग विथ ऑयल शुड बी यूज्ड इन अ वायु इज एग्रावेटेड इन एक्सेस. If vayu is aggravated in excess, milk should be used if pith in aggravated condition, and cow's urine should be used in cough aggravated condition. This Niru type of medicated enema immediately relieves the retention of urine, stool, and flatus and promotes the normal function of the rectum as well as connected vessels. Udavat is generally caused by aggravated vayu. This aggravated vayu at times provokes the aggravation of pith and cough. Therefore, medicated enema for the three aggravated dosas causing Udavarta are described above. Anuvasan type of enema. Next, if even after from Udavar the retention of flatus and stool continue because of uncutaneousness, then the patient should be treated with Anuvasan type of medicated enema. Next is Virechan, purgation therapy. If Udavat continue in spite of above treatment, then the patient should be treated by purgation therapy with cow's urine, prasanna means clear top portion of alcohol, dadhimand means upper liquid of curd, and sukt vinegar along with other virechak yoga like castor oil, tiflakwat, trivitavle or snohi vatak, etc. It is clearly mentioned in our classics Charak Chikitsasan 26th chapter. Then after we think about the Saman therapy. Saman includes internal medication. In present scenario when the people do not have enough time from their busy schedule even to give proper attention toward themselves, it is difficult to expel that much of patients for a time consuming therapy like Sodhan. In such cases, Saman therapy is to be advised. The patient should be given food which helps in downward movement of vayu to give proper healing to the pakvasai. Culp of drug like Erandavrish Haritaki, Dvitra Hingwadi Churna, Vachadi Churna, Takra, Rason should be given, which is clearly mentioned in our classics from ancient time. Next, coming to Pathya. That which is unwholesome to body as well as to mind is considered as apatya, and which wholesome to the body as well as mind is considered pathya. For the complete management of any disease, pathya is very important. Pathyasavan is not half part of the treatment, but sometimes it is only treatment. If a person follows the pathya, the treatment is not needful. Ayurvedic management says that first step of therapy is to avoid the apatya ahar, and which is considered as nidan. Nidan means nidan parivajan. Etiological factors can be considered as apatya, which should be avoided during and after treatment. दोस्तों ये है उदावत रोग की स्टेप बाय स्टेप ट्रीटमेंट. थैंक यू.